welcome back to Dragoony's Bites. Since it's Halloween season, why not prepare some neat snacks for Halloween party? I'm going to show you 4 snacks that you can easily make with only 3 ingredients. They're super fun to make and delicious to eat. For the first snack, let's make some cheesy brooms. Take your stringy cheese sticks and cut them into 3 equal pieces. Take one of them and start peeling the cheese away. This will create sort of a straw effect. Now turn it over and with a knife point, make a small hole in the center. Take your pretzel stick and gently Okay, let's try this again. And gently push the stick into the cheese. You can also try and turn the cheese as if you wanted to screw the handle on. Now we have a neat little broom. Take a chive and flatten it with the back of a knife. This will help us with tying it around the broom for a little decoration. Once tied, cut off excess and we have a sweet little broom. Do the same with the rest. Next snack will be Weeny mummies. Take your hot dogs and cut them in half. These weenies look like fingers, don't they? Roll out a sheet of puff pastry and cut about 1 cm wide strips. Take half of the hot dog and wrap it neatly like a mummy, leaving a space for where its face is sticking out. Now that all our mummies are nice and wrapped, let's move on to another snack. We'll be making little spiders. You know, those creepy crawlies. From the hot dogs, cut off the ends on each side and then cut them in half. Take a strip of puff pastry and cut it into thirds. Take a strip and wrap it around the middle of the hot dog. With a knife, make 3 incisions on each side, creating what will later become spider legs. Do the same with the rest. Place all your little creatures onto a parchment paper and preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. As to not waste any hot dogs, you'll be creating small ghosties out of the cut ends. Cut circles out of the remaining puff pastry. And with each circle, cover the weeny ends. Take your knife and make small incisions where the eyes will be. Place the ghosts onto a tray along with other creatures. Brush everything with egg wash. Make sure to brush all the sides of the pastry. Place all the creatures in the middle of the preheated oven and bake for 15 minutes or until everything is nice and golden. Once done, take them out and let's decorate them up a little bit. Brush the middle of the spiders with a bit of water and place tiny eyes on the pastry. Here you can use either black sesame seeds or cumin seeds. Now for the mummies, place small cheesy circles where the eyes should be, and in the middle put some seeds for the pupils. Combine all the snacks on the board for a great Halloweeny theme. Hope you give this a try and comment down below how you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a tasty bite from my kitchen. Have a great Halloween and until next time, bye bye!